El Nido Beach in the Philippines is a great destination for those who love the sea and pristine nature. Located in the west of Palawan, El Nido is described as a colorful paradise, with a series of small islands amidst clear blue seas. With fine white sand beaches and clear seawater, El Nido is the ideal place for relaxing and enjoyable vacations. Visitors can participate in many activities such as scuba diving to explore the rich underwater beauty of the sea, or rent boats to explore neighboring islands. In addition, El Nido is also famous for its amazing caves and primeval forests during the expedition. With a tropical monsoon climate, El Nido regularly experiences two seasons, rainy season and dry season. The rainy season from June to November usually brings heavy rainfall, while the dry season from December to May is drier and sunnier. This climatic environment creates ideal conditions for the development of biodiversity, especially in coral reefs and marine ecosystems. El Nido's geographical location is a special point, located between the East Sea and the East China Sea, creating favorable conditions for the formation of a rich and diverse marine ecosystem. The waters around El Nido are home to many species of coral, fish and other marine life, making them an ideal destination for activities such as diving and snorkeling. On El Nido Beach, the serenity and charm of the girls are enhanced by the natural beauty of their surroundings. Under the sunlight filtering through the trees and the gentle breeze from the sea, the images of young, fresh and dynamic girls become more attractive than ever. When participating in paragliding activities, visitors will experience the feeling of freedom and excitement when surfing on clear blue ocean waves and immersing themselves in the vast space of the ocean. Paragliding is also an opportunity for visitors to explore small islands, pristine sea corners and smooth white sand beaches from a completely new perspective. Click the subscribe button to not miss other interesting and useful videos from our wandering channel. Don't forget to press the like button if you find this video worth watching. We'd love to hear from you, so leave your comments below in the comments section. Sincerely thank you for your support and companionship with our wandering channel. Remember to turn on notifications so you don't miss any new updates. Thank you very much everyone and see you in the next videos.